Hello students, in this video lesson I am going to teach you about the use of else. Else is an adverb. It means in addition to, besides, other or otherwise. It is generally used in four different ways. First, after some question words. Second, after some adverbs. Third, after some pronouns. And fourth, in some idioms. Else after some question words. When used in questions, else means other. Examples: what else did you do after exercise? You do exercise. And what else, what other thing did you do after that? Here else means other thing, other action, other activity. Who else answered the question? You answered the questions. Who else? Who the other boy who answered the questions? How else can we do this? We did this in some way. How else? If there is any other way to do this. Where else will you go? You will go to Delhi. Where else will you go? So we use else with some question words, but we do not use else with which. Remember that. Let's go to the next word. Else after some adverbs. It is used after adverbs of place. After somewhere to mean in, at, or to some other place. After anywhere to mean in, at, or to any other place. Nowhere, in, at, to no other place. Everywhere, in or to all other places. Examples: let's go to somewhere else. We have come here. We do not like the place, so I am saying let's go to somewhere else. To some other place. You are going to Delhi, right? Are you going anywhere else? Any other place? Are you going to any other place? So here anywhere else means any other place. I like to go everywhere else except Delhi. I like to go everywhere else except Delhi. Here everywhere else means to all other places. Let's go to the next section. Else after some pronouns. Now look at the use of else after some pronouns. Someone or somebody else means some other person. It is used after anyone or anybody. It means any other person. It is used also after no one or nobody. It means no other person. It is used after everyone or everybody. Then it means every other person. Something else means some other thing. After everything, it means every other thing. After anything, it means any other thing. If there is nothing else, it means no other thing. Let us see the examples. Do you need anything else? I have given you something, and then I am asking you the question. Do you need anything else? Anything? Any other thing? Anything more? He does nothing else. He does something. That means he does something for a living. Or he reads history book and he does nothing more. Do you know anybody or anyone else here? That means you know me, and do you know anybody or anyone other than me here? I know nobody or no one else here. That is the answer. I know nobody or no one else here. Else in idioms. We use or else in the sense if not, otherwise. And to introduce second of the two alternatives, and also to warn or threaten in informal English. So, or else has the meaning of if not or otherwise. It gives us option between two alternatives. Option means here the second alternative is preceded by or else. And we can also use the expression or else to warn or threaten informally. Examples: hurry up or else. That means otherwise you will be late. He either forgot or else decided not to come. He did not come. He either forgot to come or else decided not to come. Please be silent or else. That means please be silent or else I'll beat you up. That is in the sense of threatening. Now remember, we can use possessive case of else. Examples: I have put on somebody else's shoes. Do not put on anyone else's shirt. But in modern English, we do not generally use the possessive case of else. Remember that too. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like this video very much, and don't forget to subscribe, share and like and comment on this video lesson. Thank you.